Are you looking to build a strong foundation in business? Our BBA program at CGC Mohali equips you to become a smart decision maker and effective business leader. With a strong foundation in business management, we make you industry ready through guest lectures and visits from industry delegates. Our BBA students are excelling at top companies like Skillcat, Movidu, Y-Hills, MWIDM, Interns Elite, EduTech Private Limited, and more, showcasing our program's success in shaping business professionals. Whether aiming to be a finance analyst, marketing executive, HR manager, or entrepreneur, CGC Mohali prepares you for exciting career opportunities. Admissions open. Enroll now to become the leader you are meant to be.